All right, what's going on, guys? Coach Bronson here, and I want to put out a public service announcement. I want you to pay close attention. Listen to what I'm going to say. All right, it's very important. Don't ask me for meal plans. I don't do it. Okay. I am a nutrition coach. I am first and foremost a quality of life guide. That's what I do. I help people improve their quality of life. I'm not here to give you a plan to tell you what to do. My job as a coach is to help you learn the concepts and principles about nutrition, around fitness, around how you can improve your daily life, and then go implement those on your own and figure out how to make the most out of what your body is able to do. Okay. Meal plans are cheap. You can get them anywhere. Okay. Education, learning, knowledge, understanding, experience, application of the concepts of why these things work. Why does the ketogenic diet work? Why does proper fitness work? Why does functional fitness work? Why is it important to build lean mass? How does that affect all the different aspects of your life? What is movement really about? What are the 10 components of fitness? How does your metabolic pathways affect not just your nutrition, but your life? There's a lot of these things, guys, that goes into figuring out your individual knobs and buttons and what you need to push and configure to get the best out of your body, the best out of your life. Okay. There's all the mental stuff that goes on. The solution is not a meal plan. The solution is digging into what's going on in your head and understanding how your body works so that you can live your best life. Okay. Don't ask me for meal plans. If you want my help, you're going to get a lot of things that will help you move forward. You're going to get mindset work. You're going to get fitness. You're going to get nutrition. You're going to get habits. You're going to get understanding your why. You're going to get building awareness and changing habits and triggers. You're going to get all that stuff. Okay. It's not about a meal plan. A meal plan isn't going to do it for you. Anybody can follow a meal plan. That doesn't mean anything's really changing in the way they look at the world and the way that they identify with the direction that they're trying to go. All right. If you want help, let me know. I'm not going to give you a meal plan though. All right. Take it easy.